पहले लोग पूछा करते थे कि मिर्जापुर सीजन 2 कब आएगा, और अब पूछते हैं कि मिर्जापुर सीजन 2 में क्या होगा।
ये जो ड्रामा है ना, लेट इट बी फॉर द स्क्रीन।
कभी कभी बहुत डार्क हो जाता है
कि वो आप गाना बजा दोगे या अभी आपको जो है ना, मैं अभी इमोशनल हो सकती हूँ। गुड्डू एंड गोलू आर अ डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी।
The much awaited season of Mirzapur 2 is finally here. The trailers are out. Tell me, what reactions did you people receive? Because people were waiting, kab aayega, kab aayega. We reporters were also having a quite a tough time because हर बार हमसे पूछा जाता था कि ये season 2 कब लेकर आ रहे हैं.
तो पहले लोग पूछा करते थे कि मिर्जापुर सीजन 2 कब आएगा, और अब पूछते हैं कि मिर्जापुर सीजन 2 में क्या होगा और उस सवाल का जवाब देना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि हम जो भी बोले उसमें एक स्पॉइलर होगा. So it's very
Okay.
hard to answer that question. So I don't know what to say, but I like the speculation that's going on. Social media में लोग अपने तरीके से स्पेकुलेट कर रहे हैं कि क्या होगा सीजन 2 में and all of that is very interesting, and I'm very tempted to respond to some and say that, you know, yes, you're right, and to respond to others and say, and tag Puneet Krishna, writer, and say, hey, this could have also been a trap.
Okay. Shweta, although in the trailer we were surprised to see you holding a gun, that is something is definitely, you know, has made us shock. You tell me, did you know that season 2 your character will have a drastic change?
I knew that there will be a lot of change because गोलू सीजन 1 उसकी लाइफ बहुत ही प्यारी चल रही थी. उसकी लाइफ ऐसे चल रही थी जैसे वो चाहती थी. In the sense that she was interested, maybe she wanted to be an IAS officer. उसको पढ़ाई करना बहुत, मतलब कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जिनको पढ़ाई करना पसंद होता है, तो she was one of them. मैं in real life I'm not like that at all. तो उसके अलग एक ड्रीम्स और एस्पिरेशंस थे जो कि सब कुछ पलट गया because two people who mattered the most to her in her life, they were taken away from her. तो जब आपके साथ ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन हो जाती है जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मतलब गलत हो के भी कितना गलत हो सकती है, यू नो, लाइफ. तो उसकी वजह से आई न्यू द वे सीजन 1 वाज एंडिंग दैट देयर विल बी अ लॉट टू प्ले विद इन सीजन 2. एंड लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स तब तक हमें ना स्टोरी लाइन पता थी. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक पुनीत जी ने भी मोटा मोटा सोचा होगा that how he wants Mirzapur season 2, 3, 4, how many ever to be. But when I got to know about 2, I was really excited because it was a different version of Golu. And I think the thing that I keep telling myself also is that you should never be comparing yourself to anybody else. If there is anyone who has set a benchmark that you should be improving, it's yours. You have to be the best version of yourself. In Golu's case, she was a very good version of how she saw herself. Season 2 is nothing that she would approve of. Season 2 is not who she wanted to be. But is that Munna's fault? Is that Golu's fault? Or is it the fault of Mirzapur and the way things are over there? So ये सारे answers hopefully हमें मिलेंगे season 2 में.
वैसे रसिका आप बताइए, यू नो ट्रेलर में हम आपको और ज्यादा नॉटी डायलॉग्स डिलीवर करते हुए देख रहे हैं. सो कुड वी एक्सपेक्ट योर कैरेक्टर टू गो वन नॉच हायर?
Not right away, but yes, somewhere along the series, yes, you do see Beena being Beena again. That's not how it starts, because at the end of season 1, as you have seen, Beena has been violated, has been humiliated, and season 2 is a journey of her recovering from that, and being a survivor, and going back to being herself again. And yes, because of the feeling of being violated, because of the feeling of wanting revenge, there's an added layer to all her mischief, and she makes people around her do things like she wants them to, while they think that they are doing exactly what they want to do. So yes, you see Beena in back to being Beena again, and yeah, maybe taking it a notch higher because of the idea of revenge, because of the idea of having to live in the same house as her tormentor.
Okay, this question is for both of you. When you play a violent or a twisted character, how much emotionally it affects you in real life?
You want to go first?
ये कैरेक्टर टू कैरेक्टर होता है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको पता होता है कि इस कैरेक्टर से आप में क्या क्या चेंजेस होंगे. What from my experience I have realized is that every time I play a character, I give a part of myself to the character and I take a part of the character and it changes me. I think my characters from Shalu to Golu, they've made me a better person, they've made me a stronger person. Violent scenes जब करते हैं, मुझे तो वो सीन करके लगा कि भाई ये किसी की जिंदगी में ना हो, because it's not fun, it's dirty, the feeling of revenge, it's not good. So if there's any learning that we have from Mirzapur is don't be like these people. लाइफ जितनी सिंपल हो, जितनी अच्छी हो, हेल्प ईच अदर आउट, क्योंकि ये जो ड्रामा है ना, लेट इट बी फॉर द स्क्रीन. ये मैं मतलब ऑडियंस को, फैंस को भी यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि अगर आप वो वायलेंस का पाथ लोगे, देन आई डोंट थिंक वायलेंस से कभी कुछ अच्छा होता है. यस, यू शुड स्टैंड अप फॉर व्हाट यू बिलीव इन. Yes, you should fight for the things you want, and you should be the change that you want to see in the world.
Right.
अच्छा, मैं तो अलग ही चले, लेकिन सॉरी मैं तो अलग ही अपने प्रवचन पे चली गई थी. बट इट डज, वेयर आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम, दैट आई डिडंट नो कि गोलू कैसे अफेक्ट करेगी, बट काफी अफेक्ट किया. एंड क्योंकि आप वो बार बार मैंने सीजन 1 का क्लाइमैक्स इतना रीरन किया ना मेरे दिमाग में कि वो आप गाना बजा दोगे या अभी आपको जो मैं अभी इमोशनल हो सकती हूँ, बिकॉज वो फीलिंग इतनी हो गई है ना कि बबलू एंड स्वीटी दे मैटर्ड सो मच. और मैं अली को भी ये कहती हूँ कि आई लव अली फजल, बट आई लव गुड्डू इवन मोर. एंड जब हम लोग सेट पे व्हेन वी आर गुड्डू गोलू, इट्स नॉट अली एंड श्वेता आर अ डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी, बट गुड्डू एंड गोलू are a different identity. And when I go on set and when season 2 happened, I missed that. But as soon as we started shooting, it was a different relationship, it was a different bond, and I really really cherished that.
Rasika, what you want to answer on this?
It's hard to tell what you take from a character, how much of it you take, and how long it stays with you. It's not so tangible, it's not so quantifiable, it's not so measurable for me at all. In fact, for the longest time, I used to shy away from this conversation because I used to feel that I don't want to romanticize my work as an actor. I don't want to talk about how much I was invested in my character, because it is my job to be invested in it. And I think the worry while shooting is that I hope I'm invested in it. उस समय आप ये नहीं सोच रहे होते हो कि हम इससे कैसे निकलेंगे, उस समय आप ये सोच रहे होते हो कि am I being that person or not? Am I giving it enough or not? So I'm very very worried about that when I'm shooting, and I'm trying everything almost desperately sometimes कि I hope every scene is imbued with some kind of layering, and that's always the desire when I'm working on something. After that, I mean, things do stay with you. I have to say, having worked for a long time, I can't deny that things stay with you. I don't like to acknowledge it over and over again, because I feel that then it makes me very conscious of the fact that I've taken something from a character, and then it makes me want to have it again in another experience and expect that out of another experience, which might not happen. So I don't like to articulate it too much or be conscious of it too much. I mean, there are things that we possibly take away from our characters. I don't know what exactly it is that I might have taken away from Veena, and who knows, I might have another season with her. So then I don't want to expect a particular thing from this experience every time. I want the experience also to be different. I want to be open to the idea that it can be something very different from what it was in season 1 or even season 2.
Vikrant Massey will not be part of this season. Obviously, we saw him dying in the previous season. How much you gonna miss him?
अब तो मिस कर दिया उसको, जो मिस करना था, बहुत मिस किया उसको. मतलब वो पूरे शूट में मिस किया. And I just
has Golu moved on?
Oh ये पता है कल, हाँ वही इंटरव्यू में किसी ने पूछा था,
ये भी एक ट्विस्ट है सीजन 2 में।
नहीं, ये
यू
मैंने
नेवर
ऐसे ही
नो।
ऐड कर दिया बस।
हमें एक्चुअली हमने तो स्क्रिप्ट में पढ़ा था
पर
कि एक दूसरे की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, कि गोलू की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, बीना की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज द एक्साइटिंग पार्ट दैट आई वांट टू वॉच, आई वांट टू सी एज अ फैन कि व्हाट आर द
ओके,
त्रिपाठी इज अप टू।
राइट।
So, but yeah, Massey and Shriya का दोनों का ये क्या है, and all the people that we've lost in season 1, I hope when they see season 2, they feel proud and they feel that we did justice to a show that all of us love so much.
Season 1 was immensely popular, and that's why people are eagerly waiting for the season 2. But when you guys started for season 1, did you expect this kind of response from the audience, that it will be that successful, that people will, like, go crazy about it?
Not at all. I mean, it's not something that I could imagine. It's not an experience that I've had often. Most of the films that I had done before the streaming platforms came in were films that I felt hadn't been released in a way that they deserved to be. And they had very limited audiences, very niche audiences. So they didn't even have a reach which was wide enough for it to be celebrated or appreciated, let alone have a fandom. I didn't even feel like they had even reached the audience that they deserved to reach. So with Mirzapur, I mean, my expectations were very managed and controlled. Like I had worked on something which I thought was interesting. It was a very different character for me to play.
Right.
There were a bunch of really, really good actors, all of whom I had interacted with at some other point in my career. And I was very excited to see all of them come together for this. I had not expected that it would become so popular. I had not expected that it would have such a loyal fan base and such eager fans who just kept us in the news for the last 2 years and been so patient for season 2. So this is not something I had imagined. It's all lovely. I mean, I think I absorb it every day with a lot of excitement. And
Shweta, what about you?
There is certainly there was excitement, but I think काम के time जब आप किरदार निभा रहे होते हो, I think that pressure is very unwanted. वो नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि the pressure should be that you give it your best, whatever your best might be. अगर आपका best is और 10 on 100 तो उतना ही दे दो, अगर 100 on 100 then very good. So give your best and फिर जो होता है वो तो होगा ही, वही ना कि कर्म करो और फल की इच्छा मत करो. So I think that was one of the most important things. So there was a lot of excitement going back to set, becoming Golu again. But pressure नहीं था, वो बीच में अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम था. You just more than pressure, you hope कि एक चीज जिसमें आपने इतना प्यार और पैशन और स्वेट एंड ब्लड डाला है वो लोगों को पसंद आए. बस वही एक इच्छा होती है. But we did everything that we could and we are very happy with whatever we've seen, and fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We still have to wait for the season 2 and to see what exactly you people have done this time for your audiences. But if I talk about the previous season, tell me one particular scene which you find it really difficult to do, or you have some memories around it which was unexpected.
I think the climax for me, that was the most difficult emotionally, and it was the last day of shoot for Mirzapur season 1 as well. So it was a closure in many ways, and just after that I was going to shoot for my South film. तो बहुत ही अलग था वो. नाइट भर हमने रात भर शूट करके, and there was so much blood, there were people falling left, right and center, जो bullets हो रहे थे. तो वो it was not the happiest places as an actor, because people and actors that you admire, you saw them falling down, you saw their characters dying. So that didn't feel nice. और वो दर्द कहीं ना कहीं वो होता भी है. Also कई बार उल्टा हो जाता है कि जहाँ you want to महसूस करो वो दर्द कि बबलू मर रहा है, स्वीटी मर रही है, और कई बार आपको कुछ नहीं हो रहा होता है. And I'm like, अरे shit, I should be feeling bad कि hello उसको थोड़ा जगाओ. But कभी कभार 12 घंटे शूट करने के बाद जब आप इतने exhausted होते हो तो नहीं लग रहा होता है बुरा. बट वो
सारी फीलिंग्स खत्म हो जाती है उस पर.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ, तो वो मतलब बाकी भूख की फीलिंग या ये सब चीजें ओवरटेक कर जाती हैं, then you have to
Your
remind
heart
yourself.
also has a 12-hour shift. It sort of
या
ramps up.
या एंड एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज आपको बता दूंगी, 12 घंटे का शिफ्ट जैसे ही खत्म होता है ना, नो मैटर हाउ टायर्ड यू आर, मुझे एक सर्टन एनर्जी आ जाती है
I
जैसे
swear it
ही,
happens to me too.
ऑल द
It's like
टाइम.
suddenly I'm awake when I don't need to be.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली.
I don't know why it also happens to
Rasika,
me. Right after pack up happens, I'm itni
या
देर
या या
struggling
या
to pull
ट्रू.
through. Like I was like, now let me just focus. Let me just focus. Don't give in to the fatigue. Don't give in to the fatigue.
so Rasika, you want to continue with your experience of any particular scene which actually impacted you.
All the scenes in the Tripathi house had this weird, ominous feeling of something is going to go wrong. I don't know, there's something about that house, and all the actors, if you speak to Pankaj, if you speak to Devendu, they'll agree with me. And we were shooting about 14 days at a stretch.
Yeah.
The interiors of the Tripathi house, and they were mostly night shifts. Actually, they were very odd shifts. They were like 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and that's like neither here nor there. So it was, and the scenes that are played out inside the Tripathi house are so dark. They're so full of suspicion. You don't know who's playing whom for what, and it's
Okay.
just like after a while, I had started feeling like the walls are caving into me. The walls of the Tripathi house are caving into me.
Yeah.
And I really begun to feel suffocated on that set. So I was speaking to Devendu one day in the van, and I said, listen, how's it going for you? And he's like, yaar, sab acha ja raha hai, maza aa raha hai scene work karne mein. लेकिन कभी कभी बहुत डार्क हो जाता है, and that's the overriding feeling that I had when I was shooting inside the Tripathi house ki कभी कभी बहुत डार्क हो जाता है. And sometimes it was even like we had, as usual, less time. No shoot will ever have enough time. It occupies the time that you give it. So we were shooting 2 units in that set. So there was this one really intense scene happening in one room of that set, and another really dark one happening in another room on that set. And I just felt that this darkness would consume me. So yeah, I
Okay.
think those days were quite darkly enjoyable.
So before we conclude, if the girls get the power to run Mirzapur, if the girl get the power to run Mirzapur and shoot Kalin Bhaiya, how different will Mirzapur look?
फिर इसका जवाब तो पुनीत जी देंगे, जो कि हमारे राइटर हैं.
But the girls already have power in Mirzapur. They're just not
No.
holding the guns in season 1. But in
Yeah.
season 2, they are. Some of them are.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for talking to
Thank
us.
you.
We are excitedly waiting to see the season.
Thank you. Look forward to
Thank
watching it.
you.